Am I looping same day again? Same as yesterday, no change, no excitement, no progress. Have you ever felt like that? If yes, then, today we're diving into a concept that could completely flip your life upside down. Kaizen. Yes, you heard me right. This isn't just some boring corporate slang. It's a revolutionary philosophy that has the power to transform your productivity, your mindset, and your entire existence. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the world of continuous improvement. Welcome back to the channel. If you are interested in content like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Let's get straight to the point. What the heck is Kaizen? The word itself is a fusion of two Japanese terms, kai, meaning change, and zen, meaning good. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Kaizen is a powerful mindset that challenges the existing condition, demanding that we constantly seek improvement in every single aspect of our lives. Imagine this, a tiny snowball at the top of a mountain. As it rolls down, it gathers speed and size, becoming an unstoppable force. That's the essence of Kaizen. Small, consistent changes that lead to monumental transformations. It's not about giant leaps, it's about relentless progress. Now, let's rewind to the aftermath of World War II. Japan was in ruins, and the economy was in shambles. But from the ashes of destruction, a phoenix rose. Visionaries like Taichi Ono and Edwards Deming introduced Kaizen, igniting a cultural revolution that would change the world. Toyota took this philosophy and ran with it, turning it into a powerhouse of efficiency and innovation. They didn't just want to build cars, they wanted to build a culture, where every employee felt empowered to contribute ideas, and challenge the norm. And guess what? It worked. They went from a struggling company to a global giant. But here's the kicker, this wasn't just about business. It was about human potential. Alright, let's break down the principles of Kaizen that can ignite a fire in your life. Number 1. Continuous improvement. This isn't just a buzzword. It's a battle cry. It's about refusing to settle for mediocrity. Every day, ask yourself, what can I do better, even if it is the smallest change, that is better than your previous habits? Like 5 minutes of reading, meditation, or mindfulness. You just have to begin. If you cannot do it for 5 minutes, start from 3 but do it in a regular manner. This relentless pursuit of excellence is what separates the ordinary from the extraordinary. Number 2. Increase people's involvement. Having others involved with you can benefit you from new ideas, support, and help you understand others' perspectives on your idea. You can learn from others' mistakes, which will increase your efficiency and motivation. And don't forget to seek feedback from them. Number 3. Standardization. Standardization in Kaizen is like creating a roadmap for your life. It's about setting up consistent ways of doing things, so that you can avoid getting lost, move faster, do things better, and work together more easily. But remember, standardization is not about being rigid. It's about creating a flexible framework that helps you achieve your goals more efficiently and effectively. Number 4. Elimination of waste. And I'm not just talking about materials, I'm talking about time, energy, and resources. In a world obsessed with efficiency, Kaizen teaches us to eliminate habits that are unproductive and time-consuming, which will not only help you in time management but also in stress management. So, how do you unleash the power of Kaizen in your own life? Here are some bold, actionable steps to get you started. Set audacious goals. Don't just aim for the sky, aim for the moon, so even if you fail you will be above others. Instead of saying, I'll read more, declare, I will finish 1 book a week. Push your limits and watch yourself soar. Reflect and refine. Take a dive into your habits and routines. What's working? What's holding you back? This is not about self-criticism, it's about self-discovery. Embrace the uncomfortable truth and use them to fuel your growth. Embrace criticism. Don't shy away from feedback. But don't care about others, who cannot relate to you or experience the things you are experiencing. Seek out honest opinions, from those who genuinely want you to improve, like your family members, partner, or close friends. Finally, celebrate every win. No matter how small the victory is, celebrate it without any doubt. Because, win compounds. You may have heard of winner effect. But don't let it get into your head completely. If you find this video helpful, smash that subscribe button and do like this video. And wait, don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments section. Let's meet again on another topic.